Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this yummy bag of goodies that was sent to me from Peachy Cheap. No, it is not a daily deal. It is not a deal that's coming up. It was just a care package that was sent to me. As you guys know, I designed for Peachy Cheap and we've had a relationship for almost 2 years. And yeah, so this is just a cute little package. Fun package that I got today, and I want to share it with you guys. Who wants to see the yummies? Okay, let me take everything out and show you guys what I got. You guys, one of my favorite things about being in this community is all the companies that I've gotten to meet and work with. It's just amazing. I absolutely love that part, that I'm able to meet so many people, work with so many people, and design. It's just amazing, and I am so grateful, and I feel so blessed every time I go onto my YouTube, every time I go onto my Instagram. It's just a great feeling. But let me show you guys, so many goodies. So I got a bunch of papers. These are all the papers. I'm trying to figure out a better way to do this where I'm not like attacking the screen. Okay, so I got a bunch of 12 by 12 papers. So I got this one, which is BU, and this is by Pink Fresh. And they're double-sided. I love this mint color. So I got that one. This one is also, oh no, that's not Pink Fresh. This is Pink Paisley. And I'm not sure what collection, but it's 03. Look at that. This one is Creekside by One Canoe 2. It's called Paddle On. Bunch of paddles, and that's the opposite side. Then we have this one, which is Maggie Holmes Bloom. And look at that. You can never go wrong with Maggie Holmes. We have Imaginance, and this is Sunny. Look at that bright color. So pretty, perfect for summer. Another Maggie Holmes. This one is Bloom, and it's called Sunlit. I love that floral pattern. This is one of my favorite papers of the Bloom collection. We have Willow Lane. We have the floral. This one is Sweet Rose, and that's the opposite side. Another Willow Lane, Cottage. This is also another favorite because you can fussy cut all the little houses. That's the opposite side. This one is Simple Stories, Life in Color. That's the opposite side. I have a bunch of like Project Life cards of this collection. This one is also Life in Color, but the little 3x4 cards. That's the opposite side. Simple Stories, Domestic Bliss. How pretty is that? And then that's the opposite side. I've been really feeling yellow lately, so I'm glad to see a lot of yellow in these collections. This is more Domestic Bliss, which I don't own this collection, and I like the color combo. Look at that, you guys. And this is another Domestic Bliss. Look at that wood paneling and like that mint green. So cute. Which one is this one? Is this for let me see. Yep, the little cutter parts for Domestic Bliss. And then the bigger cards for the same collection. So it's nice to have a huge variety to be able to play with that collection. We got some Snow and Cocoa papers. We have these two, and then when you flip them over, they look like this. I love me some Snow and Cocoa. And then this one is, look at that. Isn't that paper beautiful? This is Creekside by One Canoe 2, and it's the Cozy Plaid. And then we have some cutter parts from that same collection. We got the bigger cards. That's the back. And we have this paper right here. This one is Mountain View. That's the opposite side. And then we have Gathering Flowers. And that's the opposite side. I love the plaids. I love plaids. This is perfect for like winter or fall. a good collection for that. So yeah, you guys, those are all the papers I was sent, which I cannot wait to play with. And then I was also sent a sticker sheet from the Simple Stories Posh collection. So we got some alphas right here. We got some cute little word phrases. And then of course some cardstock stickers. Look at that, how cute. So we have that. I also got some washi tape rolls right here. Let me see if I can show you guys. I'm not sure what collections they're from, but this is what they look like. Oh, I don't have anything this tiny. Let me see if it'll focus. Look at that. How cute. So we got these right here. The little one gets lost in the middle, but we have all of these, which I'll put right here. And then we have 3 more and 4 more, and they look like this. And I don't think I have any of these. I think I have this one. I like this one. It's kind of like that wood panel. Super cute. I need to use my washer, you guys. I have so much and I don't ever reach for it, and that's so not good. I should either like sell it or use it. I also got some planner stickers from the Splendor collection. I do own this whole collection, and I did not have the planner stickers because I'm not much of a planner. But now I feel like I own the full collection. And you don't really have to use them for planning. You can use them on your projects as well. And then I got these Color Theory tabs with the little months on it. These are perfect to use on memory decks cards, which is what I'm going to use it for. I got 2 ephemera packs from Pink Paisley. I got the Whimsical from Paige Evans and the Summer Lights from Pink Paisley. So I got those 2. I got some Maggie Holmes stickers. I'm sure you guys have seen these. It's from the Carousel collection. Can't go wrong. Everyone's still hauling them from Tuesday morning. And then I got this clear sticker sheet from, it's 3, I think you get 3 sheets, yeah. 3 4x6 sheets from Bliss. Super cute. Sometimes if I don't want them to be clear, I just back them with some white cardstock and they look perfectly fine. I also got some labels from, who's this from? October Afternoon. Every time I see labels, it reminds me of Ada, the Paper Treasury. She is a label girl. She loves them. I also got some Happy Go Lucky tape stickers. And then I got this cling stamp from Prima from the Bloom collection. Look at this stamp, you guys. How beautiful is this? And it's huge. Like, this is my hand. Look at that. That's beautiful. Love it. I got 2 paper pads 6x8 in Flourish and the Willow Lane, which I'm glad because this is my favorite collection. I like Flourish, but Willow Lane has got to be one of my favorites. I got some Maggie Holmes Carousel cardstock stickers. I got My Mind's Eye Gingham Farm. You guys, this collection is so pretty and I was so happy to see it. And guess what? She sent me the paper pad as well, which I am super excited about. If you guys haven't seen this collection, it is so beautiful. And look, it's double-sided. So beautiful. I already have an idea of what I want to do with this collection, so definitely stay tuned for that because that will be coming soon. 2 more paper pads, you guys. Totally spoiled. I got Good Vibes and another Splendor. This is another fave. I have like another one, so now this is a backup, which will let me use the other one because you guys know that I like to have one and hoard one. I got another pack of ephemera. This is the Amy Tangerine. I'm not sure the name of the collection, but it's super cute and I don't own it. I love the black in it. So cute. It has gold foiling. Then we got some Maggie Holmes, which one is this? Flourished stickers. Super cute. some Good Vibes cardstock stickers. I love that cassette tape. And then lastly, I got the Bliss cardstock, not cardstock, chipboard. You see, you guys? So I got the kind of like the journaling cut aparts, and then I got the paper, so I can definitely create something fun using this collection. And then the last few things I got are these cute little Heidi Swap wood stamps with the numbers. These are fun to add like dates on your projects. You get a heart and a star as well. And then this pack of Project Life cards. It's a floral one by Becky Higgins. That's what that looks like. You get, let me see, does it say 60 cards? Look at those pretty florals. But yeah, you guys, that was my bag of goodies. And I just want to say thank you guys so much, because if it wasn't for you guys watching me, following me, supporting me, I wouldn't get the opportunities that I get in this community. So I want to say thank you to you guys for all the love that you show me. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.